Good morning and welcome to our first Trade of the Week video of 2020 from Platinum Trading Academy. We've had a pretty decent week here, and with patience and discipline I will show you how our clients have taken in excess of 100 pips out of the market this week. So before I show you the trades that triggered, let's take you to our trading floor. This is what our clients have lifetime access to. There's various articles on here. You've got chart analysis that are provided for them from the start of the week, and we also have what we call our important trading zones of the day. These are the areas of the market we expect to bounce, and if you scroll down we've got fundamental views for each of the major pairs. But anyway, let's show you the first trade that triggered this week, which was on Monday, which was the Great Britain pound USD. Okay, so can you see in here this first blue zone that we flagged up? You've got support and demand around the 2980 stroke 2960 area. Okay, so that was a pretty decent swing low position in the market. Let's see how that played out. Okay, there you go. On Monday stroke Tuesday, this came in there around 2960, which is the bottom of that blue zone. And it's taken off. Currently it's over 150 pips. Now I know some of our clients have been holding that because I've spoken to them this week. We actually teach you how to manage a trade, so that was a really nice one. Let's have a look on our algorithm. There you go. So we put these on our charts for our clients, important trading zones. So you've got plenty of buy and sell zones on here. It doesn't mean we're going to buy and sell out of every one of them. We want them to have a meaning, and it's all based upon our daily analysis. As you can see on Monday, it's coming to our area, buy area. Took a little bit of time, but it's taken off really nice. So that was an excellent trade on the pound. Let's go back to the trading floor. Let me show you. Okay, New Zealand USD. Again, this was a really decent area, a buying opportunity along that blue zone there. Again, let's show you how that played out in the market this week. There you go. So on Wednesday, literally came there and it's flown out of there. So you're talking at the moment, if anyone's still on there, you're talking 60, 70 pips, but you should be taking at least 40, 50 pips from some of these moves, guys. So again, let's have a look at that played out on our algorithm where that was shown. There you go. Important trading zones. We clearly identify for our clients, match that to our daily analysis. As you can see, if you're holding that, fine. But also as well, as you can see yesterday, we also had an intraday important selling zone that came in there. Reverse your position, these took another 25, 30 pips coming back the other way. So there's two pretty decent trades there on the New Zealand. The last one was on the euro. As you can see in here, this is our resistance and supply area, which obviously we're looking to short the market. Again, match that to an important trading zone that we provide. And there you go. Yesterday, sorry, when was that? On Wednesday, it came in there in this area. You could have sold it, took some pips there, but if you'd have even held on, you're talking easy 30, 35 pips intraday out of the market. So easy over in excess of 100 pips there from them three pairs. We did have one loser. We do show our losses here. That was on the yen. Unfortunately, we got stopped out of there. I believe that was on Monday. We had an important trading zone area there, so not bad, guys. Talking well in excess of, as I said to you, over 100 pips. It must be really disciplined and patient. We wait for the market to come to us. So if it's something that you're interested in, go to our website on platinumtradingacademy.com. There's plenty of articles in here. You've got blogs, you've got strategies, videos. If you click on that tab there, free Forex consultation, one of our members will be in touch with you. And if you want to test drive this for 24, 48 hours, not a problem at all. I hope to have you on board. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.